Let's take a closer look at management groups where subscriptions reside. It is the top level of an organization or a tenant in Microsoft Azure. Subscriptions are directly beneath, so you can create multiple subscriptions inside a management group. It's important to know that all subscribers within a management group will automatically inherit the management group's conditions. So if you set any customization within the management group, all the subscriptions beneath it are all going to have those same inherited properties. In the Azure portal, we can take a look at management groups by typing in management groups in the search and opening them up. Inside the management group area, I have a couple of options. One is I can add a subscription to an existing group, or I can create a whole new management group. I'm going to give the name and the ID the same thing. I'll just call it Group 2 and click Submit. Here we can see the Group 2 that was just created. And notice how it's nested under the root group. So any additional groups will always be nested underneath that root. From here I can select the Group 2, which I just created. And inside here I can create another management group, or I can add a new subscription. I've already created a new subscription in a previous video, so you already know how to do that, but it's important to understand when we do create these management groups, they get created underneath our root group, which is created by default when we first create our Azure account.